Hey, what's good, people? Welcome back. It's time to do the oil change to your 2017 Hyundai Ioniq hybrid. This is a 1.6 liter engine. I'll show you how to do that. So come on. All right, this baby has 157,000 miles, as you can see. All right, so you want to open the hood. So you open the hood, just pull that like that. All right. So you're gonna come to the front. Here's the lever, the latch. You're gonna need that kickstand. All right. 2017 1.6. Okay, let's do this. Uh, Engine oil cap 0 W20. That's the type of oil you're gonna need. That's full synthetic oil. I put this on the side. All right, let me break it down for you. Oil dipstick. That's how you're gonna measure the oil. Coolant reservoir, windshield fluid reservoir. Be careful with the orange lines, okay? Don't be touching those. Brake fluid reservoir, motherboard, fuse box. Also, comes with the if your car die, that's how you boost the car. Okay, you connect the booster here to this thing. All right. What else? You need to refill the coolant. Here it is. High and low over there. That one. This one uses the old system 134. The new system is 1234. Let's drain the oil. Now we come down to that's the oil filter right there. You're gonna go through this 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter. Remove that to get to the oil filter. Uh, then the oil drain plug is here, and it's gonna tell you engine oil. Remove those 10 millimeter. All right. All right. Just like that. That's for the oil filter. It's for the oil drain plug. Okay. Let me see it. Yeah. It's gonna be 17 millimeter. 17 millimeter. Okay. There you go. What you think about that oil? Let me know. Put in the comment box. Will you go for another 3,000 miles? 5,000 miles? Well, since this car takes CW20, that's full synthetic, it goes for 5,000 miles. So, maybe. I don't know. It is really dark though. Uh, yeah, yeah. Yeah. I mean, you could. You've seen people driving until they don't have no oil, right? It's not good at all. All right. Well, we drain that. We can do the oil filter right here. By the way, all the tools that I'm using is gonna be down below the video, right below the video. Um, it says product section or something. Let me see. Let's see. Let's see. All right, here. Oil filter. They use something like this, the clamp. Yep. Yeah, I'm not gonna use any tools to put the new oil filter. Okay, just tight it by hand. You don't want to use any tools because you're gonna puncture it. The oil filter is made of a strong material, but at the same time it's fragile. So be careful with that. I believe we're done with this oil pan. Let's put the plug back, pulse, tight it, snug it. 17 millimeter. You know the deal. Mm-hmm. What? Okay, oil filter's coming down now. There you go. So it looks like. Now, where the oil filter sits, I'm just gonna clean that with a rag. You don't have to go crazy, just wipe it down. Uh, then we're gonna grab the new filter. This is a new filter right here, made by Pronto. That's the part number. And this box, it hook you up because it give you different brands for this type of car. Brands, the parts numbers, the parts, the part number. You have Benzoil, Mighty, Nafa, all that with the part number. Yes. Some oil filters come with grease here. This one doesn't. So I'm gonna put some oil, just like that. Install it. Let me give you a tip. If you want to drain the oil really fast during the day or whenever you don't have that much time, warm up your car. You know, um, warm up your car once it's warm, open loop. Pour some diesel. Pour like a pour of diesel right where you pour the new oil and engine oil. Then let it idle for a minute. The diesel is gonna rinse the entire engine from inside. And once you drain the oil, you know, most of it's gonna come out. Know what I'm saying? Here, get your funnel ready. This baby's gonna take 4 quarts full synthetic oil, 0W20. Alright, once you're done pouring the oil, put the cat back. I'm gonna show you how to read the oil dipstick. Now you're gonna run the car, start the car running for a minute so the oil go through the filter, you know, everything Gucci. You're gonna pull out this guy, shut it down, you're gonna pull out this guy. Wipe it, put it in again, pulse, pull it out. The oil, this right here. You see this mark? This little bump. That's where the oil is supposed to be. Okay, or close to it. Yeah, make sure the car is parked in a level spot. Once you're done everything Gucci, close it good. All right, here guys, we're gonna reset the oil life. We're gonna do it like a we start the car, right? Step on the brake pedal, press the start button. System is on. It's running. You're gonna see that message. All you're gonna do is you're gonna play with this guy, pulse, up, down, and this. You really don't need the up down, but we go with these three buttons. Okay, so we're right there right now. We're gonna press the menu, and you see the top. It changed, right? So we're gonna go where the triangle is. Then we're gonna scroll down. Here it's gonna tell you everything about what's missing in your car or what you need to do. The warning signs. Gonna scroll down, and then you're gonna see that. All right. Remember, we're at the triangle menu right now. So right there, if you want to reset the oil life, just press and hold the OK button. Press and hold it. There you go. That's how you reset the oil life in this baby. Okay. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna leave it right here. Anything you want to say, put it in the comment box. Let me know how you feel about this car, how you like it, and you know what to do with the subscribe, like, share button. And also, you want to support the channel, right below the video, there's a heart. It says super thanks. Click on it, and it's going to ask you for the tip. You know, support the channel, show some love. You know what I'm saying? I would appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Pause. And I'm out. Catch me in the next one. It's me, Stu. Kaboom. Yeah.